Hi guys, Kat here. What I have here is some boiling pork spare ribs. Or you can use pork belly, anything, pork neck bones, anything, pork, chicken if you like. But in here is some pork spare ribs and with some ginger, chicken bouillon seasoning, sea salt, and MSG. That's all the seasoning. What I'm going to do is add some Asian mustard greens. We're making Asian mustard green soup. This is a very yummy soup, a very easy, simple soup to make when you're craving for something warm or on a cold day. Just make this. It's a very favorite soup of us Asians from Southeast Asia. This is our go-to soup whenever we want something brothy and savory and delicious and healthy. And I like to turn off my heat once I put the vegetables in because I don't like to overcook my veggies. Just let this simmer, sit in here for a minute, but with the heat off. And then it's ready to serve. Very delightful soup. And voila! Mustard green soup with pork spare ribs. Very easy, simple soup to make. You can eat it plain as is or with some steamed rice. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.